In this video, I will show you how to use an AI video generator to create videos with ease. The video will be divided into following sections.
Section 1. Creating a free trial account for the AI video generator.
Section 2. Generating a random and unique AI avatar outfit.
Section 3. Making a talking avatar from your photo or image.
So, let's get started. Register to HeyGen AI Video Generator free trial. To create an avatar outfit using HeyGen AI Video Generator, you need to prepare your photo or image. First, select an avatar you would like to dress up. Then please provide the description for the clothing style you would like to generate. Select option for your navy blue blazer outfit. Please wait a moment, your outfit will be ready soon. Go to the avatar menu and click Generate Talking Photo to generate your photo. Wait for the process to complete. After it is finished, you can check your generated photo in the Talking Photos section. Now select any of the avatar and click on the plus button on your avatar to select your video orientation. Choose your preference. After everything is set, click the Submit button to start rendering your avatar video. Wait for the process to complete. Here is the video result from this AI video generator tutorial.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
With this method, you don't need to record yourself or upload your video. You can use your photo and use their AI swap face feature. Please let me know in the comments section if there is anything that is unclear. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more videos on the latest artificial intelligence technology. I'll see you in the next AI tutorial video.